Okay, so today we are starting with the chapter number 4, Introduction to MS Excel. Before starting MS Excel, first we need to understand what is a spreadsheet and what is the use of a spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is a type of software which help you to organize, analyze and store your data in a systematic form. You can say in a tabular form. So if you are saving anything in the form of tables, in the form of rows and columns, and later you want to do some changes, do some editing with that data, and this is basically used to handle the numerical data. So normally we can save every kind of data in MS Excel, but most of the time we prefer to save numerical data in MS Excel because it makes our calculation faster, it makes our content, it also it improves the presentation of the document, the way uh, you are presenting anything, that will the presentation will improve. So spreadsheet is a software which is in the form of tables. So any software which looks like a table is called as spreadsheet software. So it doesn't mean that only Excel is a spreadsheet software. So all those students who are not having MS Excel in their computers, they can download any other software. They can use any other software. And even the students who are not having computers and laptops, they can also use MS. They can also use spreadsheet software. You have to use spreadsheet software, not Excel. So Excel is an example of spreadsheet software. We can have many different types of spreadsheet software, and the examples are Open Office Kelsey, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, Open Office Suite, iWork, Open Office Suite, iWork Numbers, etc. So all these are the spreadsheet softwares, right? I am also showing you, if you don't have MS Excel, then how can you work with spreadsheet software? How can you use other spreadsheet softwares, right? So let's understand. So if you are using your computer, then you have to go to uh, open your Google, and you must be able to see this 9 dots here on the right hand side. You can click on these 9 dots and scroll down this bar. Now we have Google is also providing the facility of documents, Excel, you can say Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This is Word. Google Doc is similar to MS Word. Let's open it. It is it is similar to MS Word. So whatever you can do in MS Word, you can also do it in Google Doc. Next is Google is also providing you the facility of Google Sheets. So which is similar to Excel, which is also called as a spreadsheet software. So if you want to use the spreadsheet software and you don't have MS Excel, then you can use Google Sheets. This is Google Sheets. And this is PowerPoint. So if you want to use PowerPoint and you don't have Microsoft PowerPoint, you can use Google Slides also. So right now I'm opening Google Sheets. So any software which looks like a tabular, which comes in a tabular format with rows and columns, which looks like this, where cells are there, this type of software is called as spreadsheet software, right? So in this chapter, we have to learn how to work with the spreadsheet softwares, what are the different kind of spreadsheet softwares, and if you don't have computer and you are using your mobile phone, then mobile phone also, what you can do, how you can search, you can search like this. You can go to Google and you can search here Google Sheets. And here you will get two different options. One will be for personal use and one will be for business use. So business use too, you don't have to choose because it's a paid version and you have to purchase that. So you will choose an option of a spreadsheet for personal use. Then go to Google Sheets, personal. So like this, you can open Google Sheets in your phone. And the second option is you can also download an application known as WPS Office for working with MS Excel in your mobile phones. Right. I am also sharing the application in your class group. Okay, till the time I'm sharing an application, we can also check how can we open Microsoft Excel in computer. So we will go to all programs, then go to Microsoft Office, and then choose Microsoft Excel. So this is how you can open Microsoft Excel. Right, like this we can, and I have also shared a link in your class group just now, using which you can use Microsoft Excel, sorry, similar application of spreadsheet in your mobile phones also. So what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is similar to a form which looks like a table. So we can use many different softwares to work on spreadsheet. Now let's understand what we can do with the help of these spreadsheets. In our daily life, we use numbers in one or the other way, right? So like our daily expenses of foods, clothes, electronics, bills, etc. We used to manage our incomes and expenditures. So for the calculation purpose, most of the time we use Excel. Spreadsheet software comes in handy with when you want to record, analyze, and store such numeric data. So whenever we want to store any kind of data, we want to record, or we want to do some analysis कि आपका कौन सा, which one is the bigger, which one is the smaller. So at that time we can use the numeric data using the spreadsheet option we can do. Okay.